Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Every single one of us feels scared or nervous at some point in our lives. And for some of us, it's probably more often than we'd like to admit. Think about when you felt nervous in the past. You know that fluttery feeling in your stomach, the racing heart, the sweaty palms. Yeah, that feeling. It usually shows up when you're about to do something new, something uncomfortable, something that stretches you just beyond what feels safe or predictable. I get it. Feeling nervous isn't fun. It doesn't feel safe. Our brains treat nervousness like something's gone wrong. But what if I told you that feeling nervous isn't a problem? What if it's actually a good thing? What if those feelings of nervousness are the exact sign that you're heading in the right direction? Let's talk about how to use being scared or nervous as fuel to build confidence, take bold action, and start living into that next version of yourself. Let's dive in. Let's start with why we get nervous in the first place. Being nervous is just a feeling. That's all it is. It's a chemical and physical response in your body triggered by your thoughts. You feel nervous because your brain is trying to protect you. Our brains are wired for survival. They love certainty, safety, and predictability. So when you try something new, like speaking at a conference, launching a new offer, or even just raising your hand in a team meeting, your brain wants to sound off an alarm that you're heading into unknown territory. It floods your body with adrenaline and cortisol. Your heart beats faster, your breathing changes, you sweat. Your brain starts spinning with all kinds of worst-case scenarios. This may sound familiar to you, but I want you to know that there's nothing wrong with when you feel nervous. This is how your brain is supposed to react. Feeling nervous doesn't mean that something's gone wrong. It just means that you're stepping outside of your comfort zone, and your brain hasn't caught up with this new normal yet. So, if the real problem isn't being nervous, but rather avoiding the feeling of being nervous or scared, why do we try to avoid it? If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.